My current role is that of an elementary physical education teacher. So for my data meeting, I had to work with the Behavior Coalition as we went over PBIS data. So when students do something at my school and they're meeting one of the school-wide behavior goals, they receive points. There is some inconsistency on my campus about when students receive points, how many points they receive, and frankly, some teachers don't do them at all. So the PBIS system on my campus does need a ton of work. So the data that I use for my meeting, it's kind of all over the place because we have some staff members that haven't even been trained on PBIS, but yet they're expected to do it. So this is my campus's first year of using PBIS, the PBIS behavior system, and there's definitely a lot of room for improvement. So my assistant principal tasked me with leading this meeting since I don't have data like other classroom teachers. And she also gave me some other things to go over as well in the meeting. So for the first part of the meeting, you can see us reviewing the behavioral data. And then for the second part, for the latter parts of the meeting, we had to review the Power Cards. That's a new behavior initiative that we're rolling out to incentivize students to do the right thing, and then it's kind of punitive to those that don't. And then in the other part of the meeting, we went over our upcoming house party that a lot of teachers didn't know anything about, so it's glad that we covered it. And then we discussed what we would do for our house party in April. So there is some data in there, but there were a lot of other elements that I was asked to cover by my administrator. I will say that this committee is relatively new. We just started meeting before Christmas, so there's still a lot of work to be done with this committee, but that's the data we have. I'm actually doing my PASL with the goal of improving PBIS on my campus. So this was valuable for me to get a chance to look at the data, to hear from my colleagues about how they really felt about PBIS. I definitely think that more training is needed within the PBIS system in order for it to be effective. So that is what I covered in this meeting. Thank you.